Once upon a time in a bustling city, there was a group of friends who decided to start a lemonade stand. They wanted to make the best lemonade in town and sell it to everyone, but they also wanted to be efficient and effective in their business. First, they had to plan everything. They decided how much lemonade they wanted to make, how much they would charge, and where they would set up their stand. They also had to figure out how to get the lemons, sugar, and cups, but they wanted to do it efficiently. They didn't want to waste time or money, so they searched for the best deals and found a way to get everything they needed in one trip. Next, they had to organize their tasks. One friend was in charge of squeezing the lemons, another was responsible for mixing the lemonade, and a third friend took care of the money. They made sure everyone knew their job and worked together smoothly, which made them effective at making lemonade quickly. Then they had to lead their customers. They smiled and greeted everyone, told them about their delicious lemonade, and made sure everyone felt welcome. They even had a catchy slogan, "The best lemonade in town, guaranteed." This helped them attract more customers and be effective at selling their lemonade. Finally, they had to control their business. They kept track of how much lemonade they sold, how much money they made, and how much supplies they had left. They also made sure they didn't waste any lemonade or supplies, which made them efficient with their resources. With all of these steps in place, their lemonade stand was a huge success. Everyone loved their lemonade, and they made enough money to buy themselves some ice cream. They were also very efficient and effective in their business, which made them proud of their teamwork and their delicious lemonade. This story shows how management, especially being efficient and effective, is important for any group, whether it's a lemonade stand, a school project, or a big company. It helps people work together, achieve their goals, and have fun along the way. Hey,